Yokaka sango ya lubamba ingomba oyo ya bana mboka nakutana na pambinyo ayebisinga zonga mboka na dunia sango ya lubamba alobisinga maloba oyo yango na zonga mboka kusala bilanga kobokolo bibwele avenir ya Afrika ekuuta sena mabele na yokaka sango ya lubamba imbuka ketoka esingola nakutana na Fernando ayebisinga zonga mboka natuna ye sango ya lubamba ayebisanga maloba oyo yango na zonga mboka kozala bilanga kobokolo bikwele avenir ya Afrika ekouta sena mabele oye que viva África. Yeah. Nayoka sango ya lubamba imbuka ketoka esindola nakutana na Fernando ayebisinga zonga mboka natuna ye sango ya lubamba ayebisanga maloba oyo yango na zonga mboka kozala bilanga kobokolo bikwele avenir ya Afrika ekuuta sena mabele lubamba oye lubamba lwatunge mbanza ambuta iyaleke yaya luvutiki kumavaka twenda soli na sole twatomesenti tieto ya kivuila yaya lubamba lwatunge mbanza mbuta iyaleke Kinuma basa twenda soli na sole twatomesenti tieto ya kivuila yaya lubamba lwatunge mbanza utaiyaleke aya ezombo dikele tunga la kikolonia ya masingangani azombo kikulu aye ezombo dikele tunga la kikolonia ya masingangani azombo kikulu ezombo dikele tunga la kikolonia ya masingangani azombo kikulu ezombo dikele tunga la kikolonia ya masingangani azombo kikulu Lubamba lwatungenzo lwatunge mbanga utaiyalete yaya kinuma vaka twenda soli na sole Koto mesensi Ncheto ya kifwila yaya Lubamba, lubamba, lubamba Lwatunge nzo, lwatunge mbanza Utaiya leke yaya Fernando Ezombo ditele tunga la kikolonia Ya masima gadi Azombo kikulu Ezombo ditele tunga la kikolonia Ya masima gadi Azombo kikulu Nayo kaka sango ya lubamba Kimbuka keto kae singola Nakutana na Fernando Ayeti singa zonga mboka Natuna ye sango ya lubamba Ayeti singa maloba oyo Yango na zonga mboka Kusala bilanga koboko lobiwele Aveni ya Afrika Eko utase na mabele
One simple but brilliant trick to heat your home in 90 seconds and save thousands of pounds on your heating bill is
Ongeye pangyame ya mula lungwezo Konterado kumenga mamosi Kikundi kajenwa yonge tenda Denta vokukele sije mwendo Mokena yendenda kompadre Pintu kakanda toma fukila Oke wa uko tumukili uzowa Badanga na ndenda kemanta jijiko
Mayala lele Atuzola ziana Compadre Atuzola ziana
Salu isasilenge kanda wenye kwa ndenda Konterado Kewada kile kumbadi tuzola ziana Kintuka makanda Kete kiasikila makuku matatu Kutusale Kenda wele kwa niyaya Wapopila bandongi yaya Wani kakangula Wapopila bandongi yaya Wani kakangula Tuzola ziana Eto mawila anga matamu Kiendi
Kamwendo kwe Keba ukusemuka
Eyaya
Keba na yoe Keba ukukashe
Badi kiendi
Kamwendo kwe Keba ukulana
mama
Keba na yoe Keba ukukashe
Mangwana yaya
Konzo ganye Makela mukaba
Isikimbu kwa tunga
Namba soso Kika matamu
Mangwana yaya
Uinu makukola Mwenda kimene
Mwana kimbu kwa tunga
Mwandika sanza Unimekaji
Kuna milunga
Mungu songo Mwila bebe
Isikimbu kwa tunga
Kuna mbeu Kuna kipokoro
Malo mapunga
Kuna mbeu Kuna makela
Kiendi
Kamwendo kwe Keba ukusemuka
Eyaya
Keba na yoe Keba ukukashe
Badi kiendi
Kamwendo kwe Keba ukulana
mama
Keba na yoe Keba ukukashe
Mangwana yaya
Konzo ganye Makela mukaba
Isikimbu kwa tunga
Namba soso Kika matamu
Mangwana yaya
Uinu makukola Mwenda kimene
Mwana kimbu kwa tunga
Mwandika sanza Unimekaji
Kuna kangola
Mungu songo Mwila bebe
Mangwana yaya
Kuna mbeu Kuna kipokoro
Malo mapunga
Kuna mbeu Kuna makela
Kiendi
Kamwendo kwe Keba ukusemuka
Eyaya Bwidi, Enakina Lufwezo, Lukebi, Enjo Mangwa, Tekononga Lindo Nikolai Masaki, Yekuba Sinde, Nana Lukusoke la Kakemamu, Lufudulwenu, Ajati Sinda Kitoloka,
Kiambute. Hello, can you hear me? Then what tell you?
Ingeta, you can hear you.
Yeah. Tata Audrey, can you hear me? Oh, he can't. Tata David. Something, Tata David. Okay. Okay, Tata David here. Come Tata David. Oh, you're on mute, Tata David. Sorry. Tata David, yes.
Okay.
Kiambute. Lunama
Okay,
Vip, Tata David.
I can hear you fine. Kiambute.
Tutto ndele. Nengo tedi wa lunama Vimpi, eh?
Ingeta, tuna mavimpi. Yeyenu, eh?
Yete tunama Vimpi, tutto ndele. Tata Audrey, can you hear me? Oh, you can't. Try to log in. I mean, log out and come back, please. Tata Audrey, can you hear me? No? No. Let me try. Okay. Okay, let me try to write in private. I'm sure nothing wrong with his. Okay, we are sorry. If you are watching, thank you very much. Tech issues that are in San Francisco. Let's hope he is going to come back. It should be okay. He's going to fix it. Okay, Ngizambote, welcome. This is Kikongo. Morning, Kikongo. Kikongo class. I'm sure you can't hear. Okay. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom. I don't like saying former Congo Kingdom. No. I want to say here now. It is Congo Kingdom. Kikongo is it is the language of Congo Kingdom, of course, spoken in Angola, Gabon, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and the Republic of Congo. Thank you very much for your time. Dr. Eddie, If you can hear me, do this. Thumb up. Do this. Can you hear me? Unmute. Okay. I sent a message on. Just written a message. Okay, let us move. Yes, to Tondele. Thank you for your time. Let us go back to our usual, our usual setting, Dr. David. Yes.
Okay. Congo language course, Malungi Makikongo Kizombo, by Professor Hazel Carter and the Reverend Joao Makondekwa.
Well done. Well.
John Hazel Carter, 22-1928 to 3-8-2016. Received her doctorate with her dissertation, Syntactic Tone Phrases in Congo, Kikongo language. African Studies Program, Department of African Languages and Literature, University of Wisconsin-Madison, USA, May 1987.
Tondele. Okay, that should be okay. Thank you, Dr. David. These are questions. Malavunusinga Sumbe. Remember, this is the standard way you ask Kikongo question. This is the standard way. But, exception. Who remember? Then what do I remember? Do you remember? The other, this is the traditional way you ask question A at the end, except when you have, remember those,
Is it
those pronoun? Yes.
Is it
Remember
Nani?
them. Nani, yes.
Nani, Akwe.
Well done. Akwe Kena, yeah, where is he? Where is no, so you're right, Akwe, yes. And Nkia.
Yes, Kia.
Nkia. Ki, let me just write down quickly.
Yeah,
Dr. David.
Ki, Akwe.
Let me see.
Remember, question, traditional way, I mean, the standard way of ask question in Congo is A at the end, but except when you have, let me just write down quickly. No, sorry, Nani. Nani means, let me tell you, Nani.
Nani means who?
Yes. Akwe, of course, Akwe is obvious. Akwe in Kia. Then we have in Ki. I think I'm right. Yes. Nani, Akwe, Kia, and Ki. Except. When I ask a question, Nani quiz. I'm just putting simple. Just let's make it simple. Nani quiz. Simple question. Tata David, an idea? Translation? Nani quiz.
Yeah. Is he coming?
Yeah, but Nani means Tata Nani.
Oh, who is coming?
Well done. Nani quiz. Who's coming? You don't need to say Nani quiz. No. Nani quiz. Nkia means Nkia.
Oh, what?
Yes. Oh, well done. Yeah. Let me just bring Tata again. Hello, Tata. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Hey, bravo! We are on the moon, you know. like what do you call it? Kennedy, launch center.
Yeah.
They're jumping. The astronauts are jumping. Yes, we are there. Good. We are talking about the standard way of asking. I'm sure you can hear me. My microphone is moving.
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah. Yes, the standard way of asking Kikongo question. Normally, you do put A at the end. When I say A, I mean Kikongo. A. We will have on the screen. Malavunu singa sumbe A. This is the standard question. The way we ask question in Kikongo. Except when you have a pronoun like nani. Nani means who. Akwei. Then go to remember Akwei.
Oh, let me
Akwei
write that
means
down.
where.
Where, yes. Kia. Kia and Ki, same
What?
thing. Kia and Ki,
What?
what? Yes. Now, that already, don't worry, I'm going to send you the file. I have the file here.
Okay.
Don't worry, just remind me. Just remind me, yes. Okay, when you have Nani, Akwei, Nani, who's coming? Remember, let me just test that. I'm just going to test you. Kwenda, what does it mean? Kwenda.
Oh, oh
You,
wow.
you
Quinda.
marching, you marching ahead. You marching ahead. You marching ahead.
You said that's what it means?
No, I'm just helping you. A hint.
Oh, I got it. I got it in my notes. Isn't it I or no? That's that's key. Oh,
Kambote, Tatale.
Kiambote, sorry for being late.
Welcome back. Yes. Uh, we just quickly we're going back to our standard traditional way. Tatale, remember?
Yes.
We're going back to for the time being at least.
Okay.
We're going to our slides. I was just explaining that Kikongo standard question, the way we write the question, at the end you put a. Malavunu singa sumbe, except when you have pronoun like this, yeah? Nani, akwe, nani means, okay, you should know nani, akwe, nkia, nki. Okay, I'm just asking that, Alri, nani means, who can help that, Ale, nani?
Who?
Who, yes. So I was asking that, Alri question. Nani kwenda. Just make it easy, simple. Nani kwenda. Kwenda means to go.
yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Nani kwenda. The translation, please. Nani kwenda. Who? Who is going? Who is going?
Would I say my name?
I'll give you the answer. Who is going? Nani kwenda. Who is going? Nani is there. Nani means who.
Right.
Are you okay, Tata? Are we
Yes,
okay?
I'm good. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's just put it back. Tata, we'll keep using Nani.
Okay, so I'll say Nani Audrey.
No. Just use two words. Your verb and the pronoun. The Nani. Nani kwenda. Nani kwenda. Nani meaning who. Kwenda to go. So we mean nani, who is going. Yeah.
Okay, so don't I answer without the Nani? I would say Quinza Audrey or something.
No, I'm not asking you a question. I'm just asking you for translation. Nani kwenda. Who's going? Yeah.
Oh,
who's going?
Okay, so that is the translation. Who's going?
Yes. So over to you again. Who is coming back? The translation. Who is coming back?
Oh man.
Is that your part of the answer? Who's coming back? You have the first pronoun, yes.
Okay.
Nani, yes.
Nani. Okay, so Nani is I thought Nani means who?
Yeah, that's what I was saying. I'm asking you just a translation. Who's coming?
Okay, so will I say Nani Quinza again?
Quenda's going. Quiza, sorry, Nani Quiza. I'm giving you an answer. Who's coming?
Nani.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Nani okay. Never mind. Let us move. Okay. Thank you very much, Dr. Audrey. Okay.
Struggling a little bit.
No, no, don't worry. We're getting there. Malembe. Who can translate Malembe? Tata David, Malembe.
Malimbe.
Malembe.
Bit by bit.
Well done, yeah. Slowly, yeah.
Wow, that's pretty good.
Malembe. Malembe to Kwendila. Sentence. Malembe. Oh, what's happened? Malembe. Okay. So I need to delete the file here. I can't write it. No. He's saying that there's no room. Yeah, here you are. Malembe. Basically, Malembe square, yeah. Malembe. Bit by bit. Yes, where were we? Okay. Tata Audrey, can you help us? Can you read the Kikongo, the question, then Tata Al is going to answer, please?
Yeah, it says Malavu, Musinga,
Sumbe.
Malavu.
Sumbe.
Okay, so I'll say it again. Malavu, Musinga, Sumbe.
Sumbe, make sure you remember this is a question Kikongo, but make sure you pronounce
Put the A to it.
The last E. Sumbe.
Sumbe.
The speech, yeah? Yes.
Yeah.
Tell him, please.
Ve Ketusinga Sumba Malavuko.
Thank you very much. You know where I'm getting to. I'm going to apply so it's freezing. My computer is freezing. Singer, it is your auxiliary. This is singer is like will. Future.
Okay, singer.
Will, yeah.
Will.
Here we have a K. K goes with Tatale. It is negative. K initial goes with.
It goes with Ko.
Thank you very much. Tatale, you there? Yes?
Yeah.
We have a double negative in Kikongo. Like in French. In French, you have a ne pas. As soon as you say ne, je ne veux, I don't want. Je ne veux pas. K goes with ko. Ketusu, singa, sumba. Sorry,
which one is the which one is the palm wine? Is that the Malavu?
Malavu, yes. Ketusinga sumba malavuko. Are we okay on that, David? I'm going to tell you.
Yes.
Yes.
What does the bebe mean?
Sorry?
The bebe.
I just don't worry about the double V. Just one V. Just V. One V.
Okay.
V means no.
Okay, ve.
Yeah. You normally you don't write this in Kikongo. Why do you write like this, Tata Allen? Remember?
Yes, for a pronunciation.
Yeah, just a phonetic spelling. Yes.
Okay.
Malavuno singa sumbe ve. Ketu singa sumba malavuko. Sorry, my computer is freezing. But anyway, K2. K, it is double negative goes together with ko. The two. What is two? Nengo tediwa. Two.
It's first person plural.
Yeah, first plural. Two. As. Yes.
Oh, okay. So K
Is
to going with ko means no.
Malavuko.
Okay, two is we are not, or
yes.
Okay.
We are not going to. Let me just try to break it
I would
down.
be writing this down, but you said to go back to it.
Don't. I don't want you to memorize. It will be hard. Just try to understand.
Okay.
Can you just go back and watch it again? Watch the lesson again. I try to break it down. I mean, I'm not a linguist. I keep saying this is how they want. The
Okay.
Kikongo linguists, they want you to write. We have to write Kikongo. We have 2 words here. 3. Yes. Ketusinga.
Singa.
See, just 1 word. That the. I mean, it's easy for the native, but not easy for someone who's learning. But K, which is double negative, K.
2 is we are not.
Yes.
No, I'll just
We.
See the first K. K
Uh-huh.
goes together with with ko.
Right at the end. You're talking about.
Yes.
Yeah.
Your negative sentence begins with K, then you put your ko at the end.
So it's almost like saying no, we're not. Like no, we're not going.
You're right.
You just put the no at the end.
Yeah, Kikongo is repetitive. Yes, but get this. Now we're going to apply Lendi, and let's just use Lendi. Yes, Lendi. Lendi comes from lender. Lender means can. I can't go. Auxiliary. Lendi is an auxiliary in this sense. So, Tata David, if you could ask same question to Nengo Tadiwa, listen carefully to Nengo Tata.
Okay.
Now we're going. Let me just try to remove this. Give me 1 minute, sorry. Remember, let's just put it back. Yes. Remember, we have a singer. We're going to swap using Lendi instead of singer.
Okay.
Singer, I will. So no, I won't buy. We are not going to buy palm wine. But if you change, you want to say I don't want to buy. You want to use Lendi. You remove your singer. Use Lendi instead.
Okay.
Okay, Tata. I want you to try to practice this. I know it's hard. I mean, not easy. You're new here, but we're going to help you. Tata, there's a teacher assistant here. We're going to help you. Tata. Yeah. Okay, again, sorry. Tata David, you asked the question. The Tata Audrey is going to answer. But remember, you're going to use Lendi, not singer. Tata David, please.
Okay. Let's see.
The first line, Kikongo, please. The question.
Yeah. Okay. Kulende Malavu Sumbe.
No, Tata, so you ask the question. Tata Audrey is going to answer. So. It's going to give you the answer.
Okay. But to ask, are you going to? Would it be?
No, Tata David, you just going to read the first line. Malavu Singa Sumbe.
Oh, okay. Malavu Singa Sumbe.
Thank you very much, Tata. I remember you removing singer.
Right.
Using Lendi instead.
Okay. K2 Lende.
Sumba.
Sumba Malavu.
Malavuko.
Malavuko.
Thank you very much. Ve. Ketulendi Sumba Malavuko.
Ve. Wait, okay, they, two, wait,
K2.
they, K2, Linda, Lindy, Suba Malabu Ko.
Thank you very much. Tata, can you translate into English all the sentence? I mean, just to
Yes.
try to help.
No, I cannot buy palm wine.
Can you say it again, Tata? You missed one thing.
It says, you said Kilendi, right? Kilendi. No, I cannot buy.
No, just to translate, Tata, how do you say it? I mean, the answer was correct. Ve Ketulendi.
Oh, it's K2. I thought it was Kilendi. It was K2. Okay, no.
Ketulendi.
Okay, got it. No, we cannot buy any palm wine.
Yeah, thank you very much. That's all, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Lendi can't. I mean, negative, yes. Any questions? Okay.
How do you know when to use the Lindy and when to use the
singer?
The singer.
Lendi is negative, just present. Singer is will, is a future.
Oh, okay.
When you say Lendi, it means Tatan is helping us. I won't say in Portuguese.
Well,
when you say Lendi, what do you mean?
Can?
Yes, can't. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Is it can't or can't? Cannot or can?
You're taking, you say potato, I say potato.
No, I'm just trying to be clear. I thought it meant actually like can.
No,
as
it is negative. Lend is negative. Yes?
Oh, lend is negative. Okay. All right.
Yeah, of course. The sentence begins with starts with ve to lendi.
Okay.
Just write it. Okay, it's clear. Lend is this. Oh, sorry. What's up?
Cannot.
No, I see it. Cannot. Okay.
Yes.
No, I thought the Kilendico is what key and co makes it what makes it negative, but I'm wrong. Okay.
No, your lend is your negative.
Your auxiliary, right?
Yeah, the negative auxiliary. Yes, because.
Yeah.
Oh, good question. Just you reminded me one thing. Tata, David, remember, you did ask this question. This is Kikongo, African language. You teaching and you learning. Lenda is the verb.
Lenda is the
Lenda is the verb.
Got it.
Then we go to lendi from lenda.
But okay, so is lenda, is it completely negative or does the
No, lenda, as it stands there, lenda is your positive can, C-A-N.
Okay, all right.
C-A-N. When you said lendi, you mean C-A-N-T, yes? Can. Are you okay?
Yes.
So Linda is can and Lindy is can't.
Yes, correct, yes. But remember, lendi, you use it as in English. You use when you say I cannot come. In this case, it's your auxiliary. Am I right, David? You are the person. It's the same verb, but in this case, it becomes auxiliary. Are we okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
You're doing well. You're doing well. No, this is Kikongo grammar.
I was trying to find the words last week of others, but I just couldn't find the list of vocabulary words.
Okay. Let me just try to help. Tata David did ask a question, I think 2 weeks ago. Lender. Now let us use lender. Tata, let us use lender as negative. C-A-N in English, yes? Translation, just lender in English, C-A-N, can.
Can, right, correct.
Yes. Can you come? Ask a question, Tata Kikongo. Can you come, please?
Lenda Yekwiza?
Correct, yes. Are you okay? Yes. Tata Davis. Linda Quiza. Can you go? Tata Davis.
Wait, I thought it was on Linde Quiza. I cannot. Right?
I'm saying,
Like,
No, the one that ends with the A is can. Lindy with an I cannot.
yes, correct. Thank you.
oh, okay. I was thinking the Linde with the E at the end.
No, it's either I. Is it I or E?
It is I, yeah? Lendi. The negative, Lendi. Can't. Cannot.
Okay, Lindy. Okay.
Cannot. But Linda, over to Tata. Tata, I read a question. Ask someone, Kikongo, can you come? No, can you go? Sorry, can you go?
Oh man.
Linda is there.
Linda, is it so it's not Linda Quiza.
Quiza to come.
That's can you come?
I'm saying to go. Can you go? Linda.
Well, yeah, isn't that Linda? Wait.
You can cheat, don't worry.
I get nervous when you ask me.
We are live. People can see we are live. Quenda. Linda Quenda.
Okay, Linda Quenda. Linda Quenda.
Yeah, can you go? Tata David, did I ever answer your question? I think that was your question the other day, yeah. Remember, your Linda there, let me just try to. Linda here is you. Yes? Are you can that? Yes.
Linda can. Lindy can't.
Lindy cannot, yes.
Cannot. So if I was to say cannot, would I still say K2 Lindy?
Good, keep going, yeah.
Now
your verb, no, this is your zero. Now your verb, what do you want, what are you doing? Yeah. K2 Lindy, well, keep going, your verb.
K2 Lindy,
Quenda.
Quiza?
Quenda. Yeah, we can't come. Yes, we can't come. I should ask you to translate it into English. We can't come, yes. Okay. I think we were there. We got it. Then what are your questions? No? Yeah, well done, yes. Thank you very much. I think I did writing for K2. Now we're going to play with this. Tata. Oh, remember. It is in one word, K2 singer, but this is how we should write it according to linguist. I'm not. But we have a K, which is negatives, double negative, 2.
Right.
Person pronoun, first plural, yes? Then we have singer. Which is your auxiliary. So, K2 singer, as, 2 is as. Who can help us? First, second plural. Same sentence. V, K, second plural.
Lusinga.
Kelusinga, yeah.
Kelusinga.
Kelusinga, yes. Did you get this? Let me just try to. No?
I'm sorry. I was trying to read while you were talking. I was trying to read the first question up there, but okay. So I'm sorry. What was the question?
See, the second line, the green line, the second line. Ve ketusinga la ambako. Yes. Can you see it? We are not going to. Yes.
So would I say K2 Singako la wait.
No, don't worry. I'm just trying to want you to get this. I'm trying to say that, sorry. 2, it is your person pronoun.
Mhm.
K2, yes, K2.
Mhm.
Your K-E is your double negative. TU is your first plural pronoun.
We.
Yes. So second plural is lu, L-U. Lu. So
Lou.
Kelu, you many, you are not going to.
Okay. Okay. So instead, so the Lou replaces the two.
Correct, yes.
K Lou Singako.
Yes, second plural. And third plural, Tata David, third plural, please. You know that, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Begin with B.
Bantu Singako.
Yes, I know it's hard, but in this case, it's Ba, Keba Singako, yeah, Ba. B-A.
Batu
Keba
Singako.
Singako, yeah. Keba Singako.
You sound like you're a vet. Like you've been in here for a while.
No, you know okay, let me try to. I can't find my file right now. I'm sorry, but anyway, I can't do it now. Yes, let me try to help because we need to help Tata. Let's come on, but you're good. You did it well, you know. It is somehow it is in blood, you know. When Tata David reading Kikongo, I mean, amazing, you know. The way he reads Kikongo, Tata David.
Mhm.
It is in the blood. Okay, cut to. Okay, we stop in 10 minutes. Kaba. Tata Ale, be ready. I'm going to test you now.
Oh wow.
Let me just display my. Stop this. Display my word file. If you are watching, we thank you. This is Kikongo. I've translated there's a brother Congo from Congo. Congo. He lives in the US when academic doing his research. He was saying that talking about he's focusing on our ancestors, Congo from Congo Kingdom, US. Yes, he was saying that many of them took part, were part of the army that defeated Britain, the kingdom. Yes, Royal Army. Are you with me? The War of Independence, US independence. Congo people, but Congo from you, like you and me, our ancestors. Yes, Tata David. Yes. Okay, Tata Ale, we have here two first plural. Remember,
Two is we.
Lu, Lu, Ba, could be Ba, Be, depends on the variant and the sentence. Always remember K-O-K, K-A, O-K-E, O-K-I, always negative. Question, yeah? So question. Negative.
With the
Yes.
ko at the end.
Correct, always. Now, Tata Ale, can you give us the first singular?
Key.
Yeah, key, yes. Let's put this verb, look at key, yeah, key. Put the verb, make it is kikwiza.
Kikwiza.
Take note, Tata Ale, very important. You have your key here.
Right, that is I.
Yeah, Kiko. Test,
Then,
okay. Then we have the Kukwizako, you.
right.
You
Ku
single.
equals you.
You single. You single. Who can help me? Third person, Tatale.
Ka.
Thank you very much. Kakwizako. Izako. Tata Ari, I'm going to test you. You need to pass this test.
Okay.
No, take it easy. I'm joking. No. Yes. Oh, here we go. Kakwizako, yeah? Translation, Tata Ari.
Mm-hmm.
Translation, can you translate into English? Kakwizako. Kwiza is to come.
Kakwizako is you talking about the KA, right?
Sorry?
Well, are you on the the red one, the KA, or
No. Katukwizako. This one. Katukwizako.
that is we're not going.
Yes, we're not coming. Yes.
We're not coming.
Yes. Where is your first? Where's the pronoun here? First singular. First plural. Where is it?
The plural. Is it the two?
Correct. Yeah. Get it. Keep this in mind. Don't move. Okay, we're going back. Take this. Yeah. Well done, bravo. But here, this is key negative, double negative. Where is your first pronoun? Your first person. First singular here.
That would be the it's not the two.
You can't see it.
Oh, the first singular. That's key.
No, the key is negative. Key is double.
Wait,
double
I'm
negative.
sorry.
Key.
I thought you was like the key means the eye, the green, like the green one up at the top.
Good. Well, basically, we have another eye here hidden. Yes, which is your eye.
Oh, okay. So
by coincidence, is eye in English anyway. Yes.
Yeah. But the other eye attached to it, it gives it a negative.
Bravo,
so that key turns into a negative instead of an eye.
So we have key and double negative. Then we have hidden eye here, which is your eye in English. Yes. Same thing here. Ku is negative. Goes with ko. At the same time, this is who is you. You singular. Yes.
Right. I got that down.
Yeah.
Ka is he, she.
Yes, but your she here is on A, yes? Not in ka. Not on ka, yes? Thank you very much. Any questions? I'm going to tell you, so you're quiet.
I keep getting I keep getting Kwiza and Quinza mixed up.
Kwiza, come. Kwiza.
Go.
To come. Okay, quick. Tata. Audrey, please. Can't come.
Kikwizako.
Yeah, you're missing one thing, yeah. Remember,
Linde.
Kilende.
Yeah. Kelinde Kwizako.
Kilende Kwizako, yes. Okay. If you want to use the pronoun of insistence, that negotiator can help us Kilendi.
It will be Kilendi Kwiza Kwameko.
Bravo. You get that? Kwame. We went back to the distance pronoun insistence. Yes, okay. To Tondele. Yes? Did you get this? Yes? Is it clear?
Yeah. I got the different Ame, Aku, Eto, Awo. I got those down.
Yeah, well done. Remember, the third plural is Katu, Kalu, it's obvious. I mean, you can see your pronoun here, but here it is hidden. Yes. You have a negative at the same time is I'm using key we call for negative at the same time my pronouns here.
Okay.
Okay. Two-tone daily.
Whew.
Thank you. That's why I know. I remember I keep saying that I was in Portugal. I went to a church. There was the African choir, but Congo, like you and me, they're singing Kikongo. Then when they let the young people they finished singing, I mean before they sang, the ladies tried to translate into Portuguese, saying that he was introducing the song, saying that I'm going to sing in a dialect. So as soon as they stopped, they finished singing. When the service finishes, I went to see the lady to say to her that this is not dialect; it is a language. Yeah, that just.
Yeah, grammar is not easy, Ardre.
See,
You guys seem to have it down, though. I got to give it to you.
Well, we've been with it a while longer than you. That's all.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you're doing well. You're doing
My
well.
sister, wait, your name's so small, but do you speak, being from Zimbabwe, do you speak this already? The Kikongo?
Kikongo.
Some words. Yeah, she doing well. She some sentences. Yeah, some sentences. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much for your time. I know it's Sunday, but there's a saying. Let me just put it quickly. 5 minutes. You need to memorize this. All of you. This is the Bakongo people trademark. Yeah. Kiaku. Kiangani. We. No?
Yeah, Kiaku.
Is there? Kiaku. Kiangani. Do you know that? Nengo Tado, can you translate into English?
Yeah, it means what's you, what belongs to you is yours, and what belongs to me is mine.
Yeah.
Isn't.
What belongs to another is theirs. So you are Kikongo. This is a language. It's us. We have to fight for our language. It's us. Okay, Luenda Kiambote.
Sala Kimbote.
Sala
Kiambote.
Sala Kimbote.
See you next time.
Okay.
Ketu yangani kawauko iwao bongole meso mwene isibuli matu umwidi ikonzo dienu Keno luvo vanga bo Congo dia